Hi there. So today is day 2 of our GRE words and we are going to discuss about 60 words today as well. So let's get started. First word is abate, meaning to become less intense or widespread. Synonyms: diminish, decrease, lessen, subside. Examples: the storm finally abated after 3 hours. His anger abated when he heard the explanation. Abstain, to deliberately avoid or refrain from something. Synonyms are refrain, with, withhold, desist, or avoid. He decided to abstain from alcohol. Several members chose to abstain from voting. Abjure, to formally reject or give up a belief or claim. Synonyms are renounce, reject, abandon, forsake. She abjured her formal religion. The politician abjured his previous statements. Approbation, approval or praise. Commendation, praise, endorsement. The novel received approbation from critics. His ideas met with general approbation. Anomalous, meaning deviating from normal or expected. Abnormal, irregular, atypical, unusual. Examples are: the data showed an anomalous result. His behavior was anomalous compared to others. Cherish, meaning to protect and care for lovingly. Synonyms are treasure, value, hold, dear, adore. Examples are: she cherished the memory of her childhood. They cherished their friendship deeply. Antipathy, meaning a strong feeling of dislike. Synonyms are hatred, hostility, aversion, antagonism. Examples are: he felt antipathy toward injustice. There was obvious antipathy between the two rivals. Corroborate, meaning to confirm or give support to statement or theory. Synonyms are confirm, verify, support, or substantiate. Examples are: the witness testimony corroborated the suspect's alibi. Data corroborates the research findings. Arcane, meanings understanding by few, mysterious or secret. Synonyms are mysterious, obscure, esoteric, cryptic. Examples are: the professor's lecture on quantum physics was arcane. The document contained arcane language. Disparate, meaning essentially different in kind. Synonyms are different, distinct, diverse, unrelated. Examples are: the two cultures have disparate traditions. His interests are quite disparate from hers. Arduous, meaning involving or requiring strenuous effort. Synonyms are difficult, strenuous, laborious, taxing. Examples are: climbing the mountain was an arduous task. She faced arduous challenge during her studies. Emulate, emulate, meaning to intimate, imitate with the intent to equal or surpass. Synonyms are imitate, mimic, copy, follow. Young players try to emulate their idols. She hoped to emulate her mother's success, mentor's success. Artless, meaning without guile or deception, sincere and natural. Synonyms are naive, natural, innocent, and genuine. And examples are her artless charm won everyone's heart. The story was told in an artless way. Innervate, meaning to weaken or drain energy from. Synonyms are weaken, exhaust, debilitate, sap. Examples are the hot sun innervated the runners. The long illness has had innervated him. Ascetic, ascetic, ascetic. So meaning is practicing severe self-discipline and abstention from indulgence. Synonyms are austere, self-denying, disciplined, or abstemious. Abstemious. Examples are the monk led and ascetic life. She followed an ascetic diet. Next word is ephemeral, meaning lasting a very short time. Synonyms are transient, fleeting, short lived, temporary. Examples are the fashion trends are often ephemeral. The beauty of sunset is ephemeral. Assuage. Assuage, meaning to make an unpleasant feeling less intense. Synonyms are alleviate, soothe, ease, mitigate. Examples are the medicine helped assuage his pain. She tried to assuage his fears. Fervid, meaning intensely enthusiastic or passionate. Synonyms are passionate, ardent, fervent, intense. He delivered a fervid speech on climate change. The fans showed a fervid support for the team. Betray, meaning to be disloyal to someone. Synonyms are deceive, betray, double cross, abandon. Examples: he betrayed his country by leaking secrets. Her actions betrayed her true feelings. Garrulous. Garrulous, meaning excessively talkative, especially in trivial manners. Synonyms are talkative, loquacious, verbose, chatty. Examples are the garrulous old man told endless stories. She became garrulous after few drinks. Bucolic, meaning relating to pleasant aspects of countryside and country life. Synonyms are rural, pastoral, rustic, countryside. They enjoyed the bucolic scenery of village. Bucolic scenery. The painting depicted a bucolic landscape. Incendiary, meaning designed to cause fires. A person who stirs up conflict. Synonyms are inflammatory, provocative, combustible. Examples are the politician's incendiary remarks sparked outrage. The bomb was an incendiary device. Burgeon, meaning to grow or increase rapidly. Synonyms are flourish, thrive, expand, multiply. Examples: the startup began to burgeon after receiving funding. The population of the city continues to burgeon. Inimical, meaning hostile or harmful. Synonyms are hostile, unfriendly, adverse, harmful. Examples: the policies were inimical to economic growth. His inimical attitude caused tensions. Cacophonous, meaning harsh sounding or discordant. Synonyms are discordant, noisy, harsh, or jeering. Examples are the city streets were filled with cacophonous noise. The orchestra sounded cacophonous during practice. Intimate, meaning closely acquainted or personal, or to imply or hint. Synonyms are close, personal, suggest, imply. Examples: they had an intimate conversation. He intimated that a decision would be made soon. Canonize, meaning to officially declare a dead person as a saint. Synonyms are sanctify, glorify, exalt. Examples: the church canonized the martyr. He was canonized for his heroic deeds. Invigorate, meaning to give strength or energy. Synonyms are energize, refresh, stimulate, rejuvenate. Examples: a brisk walk invigorated her. The new policies are expected to invigorate the economy. Censor, meaning strong disapproval or to criticize severely. Synonyms are condemnation, criticism, rebuke, reprimand. Examples are the senator faced censure for his action. The committee censored the employee for misconduct. Mitigate, meaning to make less severe or harsh. Examples: measures were taken to mitigate the effects of disasters. The lawyer tried to mitigate the punishment. Synonyms are alleviate, reduce, lessen, or moderate. Chicanery, meaning to use of trickery to achieve a purpose. Synonyms are deception, trickery, fraud, or deceit. Examples: the politician's chicanery was exposed. The deal was full of chicanery. Obsolete, meaning out of date or no longer used. Synonyms are outdated, old fashioned, antiquated, or archaic. Examples are typewriters have become obsolete. Many old customs are now obsolete. Coalesce, meaning to come together to form one group of or mass. Synonyms are unite, merge, combine, fuse. The factions coalesced into a single party. Several companies coalesced to form a consortium. Opaque, meaning not transparent or clear. Synonyms are cloudy, obscure, unclear, impenetrable. Impenetrable. Examples are the glass was opaque and blocked the sunlight. His explanation was opaque and confusing. Cogent, meaning clear, logical, and convincing. Synonyms are persuasive, compelling, forceful, effective. Examples are she presented a cogent argument in court. The lawyer's case was cogent and convincing. Paradigmatic, meaning serving in a typical example or model. Synonyms are typical, exemplary, standard, representative. GRE usage is used for models or examples in a field. Example, his success is paradigmatic of hard work. This case is paradigmatic of many similar situations. Compelling, meaning evoking interest, attention, or admiration in powerfully irresistible way. Synonyms are convincing, persuasive, captivating, and forceful. The book offered a compelling narrative. She made a compelling case for reform. Pedantic, meaning excessively concerned with minor details or rules. Synonyms are nitpicking, meticulous, overly academic, or precise. Examples are his pedantic lecture bored the students. Don't be so pedantic about grammar. Contend, meaning to assert or argue a position. Synonyms are assert, argue, compete, maintain. Examples are the lawyer contended that evidence was insufficient. Several teams contend for championship. Placid, meaning calm and peaceful. Synonyms are calm, serene, tranquil, peace. Examples, the lake was placid in early morning. She has a placid demeanor even in stressful times. Copious, meaning large in quantity or abundant. Synonyms are abundant, plentiful, profuse, ample. Examples, she took copious notes during the lecture. The harvest was copious this year. Polemical, meaning relating to strong critical or controversial writing or speech. Synonyms are controversial, argumentative, disputatious. Examples are the article was highly polemical about government policies. His polemical style alienated some readers. Cosmopolitan, meaning familiar with and at ease in different countries and cultures. Synonyms are worldwide, global, sophisticated, worldly. New York is cosmopolitan city. She has very cosmopolitan outlook. Precipitate, meaning to cause something to happen suddenly, done suddenly without careful consideration. Synonyms are trigger, hasten, accelerate, or when used as adjective, then rash, reckless, hurried. Examples: his comments precipitated a crisis. The decision was precipitate and regretted later. Deference, meaning respectful submission or yielding to the judgment or opinion of another. Synonyms are respect, submission, compliance, yielding. He showed deference to his elders. Out of deference to teacher, the students remained silent. Profundity, meaning great depth of insight or knowledge. Synonyms are depth, insight, wisdom, seriousness. The philosopher's profundity impressed everyone. Her speech revealed remarkable profundity. Desultory, meaning lacking a plan or purpose. Synonyms are aimless, random, haphazard, unfocused. Examples: they had a desultory conversation. His work was desultory and lacked focus. Prophetic, meaning accurately predicting the future. Examples: her remarks were prophetic in hindsight. The novel had a prophetic vision of future. Diffident, meaning lacking self confidence or shy. Synonyms are shy, timid, hesitant, and reserved. He was diffident about speaking in public. Her diffident manner made her seem unapproachable. Prudent, meaning acting with or showing care and thought for future. Synonyms: wise, careful, judicious, cautious. Examples are: it is prudent to save money for emergencies. They made a prudent decision to invest wisely. Dilatory, meaning slow to act, intended to cause delay. Synonyms: tardy, slow, delaying, procrastinating. The government dilatory response angered citizens. He used dilatory tactics to avoid the meeting. Punctilious, meaning showing great attention to detail or correct behavior. Synonyms are meticulous, precise, careful, exact. Examples are: she was punctilious about following the rules. His punctilious manners impressed the guest. Equivocate, meaning to use ambiguous language to avoid commitment. Synonyms are prevaricate, evade, hedge, or dodge. The politician equivocated when asked about scandal. Don't equivocate, give a clear answer. Recondite, meaning little known or obscure. Synonyms are abstruse, obscure, profound, esoteric. Examples are: the professor's lecture was on a recondite topic. The book is filled with recondite information. Polarize, meaning to divide into two sharply contrasting groups. Synonyms are divide, split, separate, or alienate. Examples: the issue polarized public opinion. The debate served to polarize the community. Scrupulous, meaning very careful to do what is morally right. Synonyms are ethical, meticulous, conscientious, thorough. She is scrupulous about her work ethics. His scrupulous attention to detail ensured success. Prodigal, meaning wastefully extravagant or one who spends wastefully. The prodigal son wasted his inheritance. Her prodigal habits caused financial problems. Tranquil, meaning peaceful and calm. Synonyms are calm, serene, peaceful, placid. Example: the lake was tranquil in the early morning. She enjoyed the tranquil atmosphere of garden. Verbose, pronunciation, meaning using more words than necessary. Synonyms are wordy, long-winded, prolix. Examples: his speech was too verbose for audience. The report was criticized for being verbose. Vacillate, meaning to waver between different opinions or actions. Synonyms are hesitate, fluctuate, waver, or oscillate. She vacillated between accepting the offer or not. The committee vacillated for weeks before deciding. Okay, guys, so these were all our 60 words for today, and let's meet tomorrow.